Where did that shit come from? Is that underneath?
That's the trainer on that pump, bro.
Underneath? Yeah, check it out. Damn, nigga is facing this way too? I wonder if it's louder as fuck. I was like, yo, that's a fat ass toilet. You fine? Can I tow a house, nigga?
I'm taking that off.
You recorded that shit?
Of course, dude. I'm going to YouTube. Pause that shit.
Fuck that. Delete it.
Wait, let's see it first.
Niño asustadito. Mira, niño asustadito ahí, mira.
¿Por qué eso suena tan
Mira,
duro?
mira.
¿Qué tú dices?
Eso no va a caber allí.
¿Dónde?
Primero, hey guys, I'm gonna do it today.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually here with my boys right now. Show them the camera, bro.
Lorencito.
Say hi to the camera, Lorenzo.
What's up, people? He's a little bit shy.
Qué bolón.
My boy Georgie just got back from New Orleans. I'm super excited about this. I got the stickers from Sergio's Printing. Big shout out to them. They hooked it up with this 2.7 bronze fire and my Instagram handle. So what I'm gonna do today to promote my channel and my Instagram a little bit more, I'm just gonna put the decals up here like that. I already put on my work truck, the Ford Ranger. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, sorry about the truck. It's a little bit dirty right now. I cleaned it last week, but it rained. You know how it is. Okay, let's do that. This being a smaller piece, you can actually just take it off and do it by hand. You don't have to be so... You got a card or something? You know the tarjetita ahí?
La tarjetita. A lot of money.
Oh my God.
Man's banking.
A lot of money.
Is that straight or what?
Look straight.
As straight as you, huh? I like it because it's actually like bronze fire.
Oh shit,
It looks kind of bronze, right?
that's dope. Oh, that's fire, bro.
You like it?
Yes, sir.
Now that's gonna be similar to the color that I'm gonna powder coat the suspension. It's kind of like a Lucian Spanish flying. Very close. I love it. What you think? Just finished putting the decals on this thing, and look who we have here. My boy Georgie just told me that's good luck for money.
No, we're gonna get like $1 million.
$1 million, 1 million subscribers is what I need. What is that, cricket? What is that, Georgie?
Una esperanza, bro.
Una esperanza.
Hazle zoom.
Oh, man. I'm actually stoked that my boy Georgie just came down. Oh, boy. I hate speed ramps. I'm actually stoked that my boy Georgie came down from New Orleans. He loves baseball. He's actually doing really good in his university, playing D1 baseball, studying electrical engineering. Is this guy a freak or what?
Don't do it. It's hard.
This guy is nuts. Taking 17 credits, playing baseball. Oh my God. Hell no. I mean, I'm
Don't
studying.
recommend it.
I'm studying too, but not nearly as much as him. But yeah, stoked. Actually gonna fuel up now. He is still there. By the way, we're gonna use the Get Upside app. I sent my boy George the link and stuff like that, so he can give me a couple of cents on every gallon I use and stuff like that. You guys should start using that, by the way. Get Upside is a huge opportunity to earn some cash back every time you fill up. And you know, my motto is anything that you can do to make more money than what you do already, why not? You know, all you gotta do is just go to the nearest gas station that I recommend you, fill up, take a picture of the receipt, and boom, there you go. Sometimes it gives you $1, $1.50, a couple cents. It all adds up, and at the end of the day, you know, you have more than what you started with. But look at that. He is still there. So we are here. Let's fuel up. I love the way that turned out. Show some love, guys. If you see me, go support the cause, YouTube and Instagram. Man, she's dirty. Cleaned the last week and she's already dirty. Look at these rims though. A little bit water spots and stuff like that. That's why I want to get them. I don't know if I should get them polished, but I'm gonna get them ceramic coated, along with the whole truck. Come on, give me my receipt. I hate these things, man. Sometimes the receipt comes out and it tells you, do you want your receipt? You say yes. Clerk has receipt. Godly. Yes. Printing receipt. Oh. Ta-da. So now all we do with this, take a picture and get it on. We literally left Lorenzo's house, came fueled up, took pictures of the receipt to Get Upside, and now my little friend is still there. What is that thing? Is that a cricket?
I don't know.
Esperanza is what you call it in
cricket that
Spanish.
gives good luck.
Good luck. If that gives good luck, oh my God, I need good luck. Literally like 2 hours later, he's still here. Come here, little boy. No, I'm gonna put you in the trees.
Suave. Ponlo ahí en la matica.
¿Ya? ¿Cómo es? ¿Tú te imaginas otro desagüe, oso? Limpiando.
Oops, where you going? Go to the trees. Okay, stay there.